In this video, I show you how to fix Bus Simulator India login problem. You don't have an account, check your connection on Bus Simulator. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Bus Simulator, click on it, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now go to Play Store. Now search for 111 VPN, click on it, install it. After installing, open it. Now click on connect. Then open Bus Simulator India app game. Wait for loading the game. Then click on your profile icon here. Now click on connect. Now link Google account successfully. Yes. Now I hope that this method fix. You don't have an account. Check your connection. Bus Simulator problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.